My name's Paul O'Leary, and I've been living in my home since 2016, and it was built in 1985. I walked outside my back door one day and I smelled gas. Walked over towards the natural gas meter and the smell got stronger. I could tell that where the pipe was going into the ground seemed to be rotting out. I was a little nervous because we weren't sure what was covered and what wasn't, so the first step in the process was to talk to the folks at HomeServe and figure out if we even had coverage. I went online and checked my bill, and on my bill there was a line item for the HomeServe service, and they walked us through that process and assured us that we were covered. And they got us set up with a plumber.
My name is Josue Carvajal. I work for Texas Quality Plumbing. With HomeServe, we've been with them, it's going to 3 years already. And the advantages with them is that they keep us busy. There's always work. Every day we have a job to go to, 1, 2, 3 jobs. On this repair, we had to install a new gas line, 1 inch, from the existing meter to the pool heater. We had to dig, it was 252 feet. Usually regular customers we charge by footage. It's costly, so this job probably would have came out to almost in the 10,000s.
I'd give them an A. It's rare that this happens so smoothly, but it did. From the professionalism to the speed and the thoroughness of the job, it was a really positive experience. I made the initial call to Centerpoint, and I thought they did a great job. I'm glad they have this service. I'm glad it's something they can offer to homeowners. I'd say it's a no-brainer being a customer of HomeServe. Economically, it makes a lot of sense. You get a lot of value, and it's just one of those things that help you sleep at night. HomeServe really stood behind the policy that they wrote.